Hello guys, welcome to Lucky Tech Techniques, and today I'm going to show you on how to configure Mikrotik router to get internet from another router. So here I have two routers here. This is a TP-LINK router. This is the one that I'm getting internet from the ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. So for me, I need to use this one for my clients. The Mikrotik router is very powerful in terms of controlling bandwidth for the clients. So as you can see, I need to connect internet from this router, TP-LINK. So what we'll have to do is, first of all, for me to configure this Mikrotik router so as I can get internet. Actually, what I may say is that configuring a Mikrotik router is just not just be like taking a cup of tea. It's very challenging. So first of all, what you can do, make sure that you have two LAN cables. One Ethernet cable comes from the Ethernet one. You see, we have a PoE. This PoE is coming from the PoE of my ISP, Internet Service Provider, and then we have Ethernet 1 port. So insert the Ethernet 1 port, and then you bring that Ethernet 1 from TP-LINK, you insert it to the PoE in the Mikrotik router, like that. Then after PoE we have Ethernet 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the second one, you insert the Ethernet 2 to the PoE, to the Mikrotik router. So insert to Ethernet 2 and then goes to my laptop here. Now you start configuring. So that is how you can do it. After you have done so, we can now go to log into Mikrotik router via Winbox, and we start configure this Mikrotik router. Right now we don't have internet. It's very hard. It's not just a matter of fixing, inserting and getting access internet on Mikrotik router immediately from the TP-LINK of ISP. No, you have to configure so as you can access internet through this and start configuring hotspot and the likes. So you have to follow me along as I show you how.
Okay, now we go. We have so here, after I have connected now the LAN cable to the, that's now Ethernet 2, from Ethernet 2 port from a Mikrotik router to now the LAN Ethernet port on my computer. So you have to download this software, Winbox. Mine is Winbox 64. That's now 64-bit of my, that's now my laptop. So if I told maybe you have a 32-bit, download it. They're all over in the internet. Right now I don't have internet because I'm trying to configure this one so as I can get internet to access on this machine. Therefore, let's go ahead. Double click this one to open. That is now the operating system of a Mikrotik router. Just close one. Here we have manage neighbors. So this one is the previous IP address to connect to this Mikrotik. I think this is not working right now because we have already reset it. Click on neighbors. After you have clicked on neighbors, because it was just this previously, click on neighbors and wait the IP address to pop up here. This is the MAC address, IP identity, and version of the Mikrotik Winbox version. So here just click this way and then click connect. Once you're connected here, this is now the dashboard of a Mikrotik Routerboard. And to start, we have to go to interfaces. We have Ethernet 1, 2. I think we are only concentrating on Ethernet 1 and 2. Ethernet 1 is the one that is connected by the PoE from TP-Link of the internet service provider. In my case, that is. So I double click this one. I want to rename this. Click on general. I just need to put this way, like this LAN, like that. Then click apply and OK. Next, we are going to configure addresses and network for Ethernet 1 and 2, that is WAN and LAN. So to configure that, just click IP here, then click addresses. Here, this is now the address list. We don't have any address. Just click this plus icon and then new address here. So on 1, I'm just putting like 192.0.105/24. Network. So in this one, the network I'm using this IP address 192.168.0.0. That's the range of the IP I'm using as far as the IP of the ISP is concerned. So click apply, then OK. Click this plus icon again to configure the LAN Ethernet 2, that is. Use 192.168.1.38. What's not going on here? That is 192.168. Then you come here, then you say /24, like that. And then here on the address, I'm just using this, the same. Copy this and then just paste here. .1.0. Here we are using LAN here. Then interface. The interface here is LAN, like that, and then apply. OK. We are done with that part. Let's go to DNS. We have to configure DNS. DNS configuration. Say click OK, and go to servers. Click 1.1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1. So you can use this one, and you can as well use the Google servers, that is 8.8.8 plus 8.8.4.4. So just click apply this one, a dynamic server. It will be come here directly. We'll configure that. Click apply and then OK, and then go to let me just click this one, DNS again, go DNS, and okay, fine, this is working. Go to DHCP IP, we want to go DHCP server, go to setup and choose LAN here, click next, 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 and next. Setup has successfully, then click OK. And as here for firewall rules, just click this one, firewall, because right now I think we don't have internet, but let me see, new terminal, just click ping.com. I think say we have internet access, but let me see. So first of all, click NAT and then click general. Here say chain source NAT, come to out.internet interface, sorry, choose one and then click OK, apply and then OK. But before that, and before you apply, click action, choose masquerade, that one, and then click apply and then OK. On the DHCP client, you have to come to IP and then DHCP client, right? This one. And then for me, I have already. Let me just remove this. Click new, and then choose interface to be one, and then apply, and then OK. Just that. So let's check whether we have internet access on this machine. Using Mikrotik Routerboard. Wow, we have internet access. Actually, we have access internet with our Mikrotik Routerboard. You can see it's actually working. Let's test. Oh, it's working. Let me just test the speed test of this one, the internet that I'm using from Mikrotik Routerboard. Wow, this is 6.3 Mbps. That's how simple it is on how to configure Mikrotik Routerboard to access internet from the ISP router. That's not the TP-Link. So follow correctly, and if at all maybe you come across a problem, just write me on the description of this video, and I'll be able to answer you as quick as I can. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Lucky Tech Techniques channel.